Hi guys, today I just wanted to go over pups slash offshoots or sister plants. So pups form on succulents or things like the mangave here. All these are mangave pups. These are even bigger mangave pups. Alocasia has also put up pups, but I don't have any that are doing it right now. This Haworthiae here, which is the same as the first one, all its lateral roots actually push towards the wall, so you can see them poking up towards the light on the edge there, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how I go about repotting my pups. So first I just pull the plant out of the soil like this. Sometimes you'll have roots that fall off, I've got a little one here, but that's okay, it's not going to harm the plant in any way. And then what you want to do is you want to look for a pup, and kind of you can pull them out. Yeah, and you got a nice pup there. I'll show you a little bit more detail. And what can happen is if you look for a pup and it hasn't quite developed roots yet, and you pull it without really checking, what's going to happen is pop, no roots on it. So that one's not going to work, so we're going to get rid of that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure it has a nice root system on it. This one has a nice one there, so we pull that, and we pull the root system off, and we've got a nice pup that will establish. For these bigger ones, since they have a little bit more developed of a root system, what I like to do is I like to pull my thumb down in there a little bit, create a little groove, and then once I have that groove, I kind of just push down and pull out towards the bottom of the plant, and you'll pop the pup out just like that, and you have a nice pup. And then what you want to do is you just want to dibble a little hole in the soil, pop the pup in the hole there, make sure the roots are a little worked in, you can just poke them in, just jam them in there like that, and you're good to go. For the littler pups, what you can do is you can just take the root and jam it directly into the soil. That'll be nice and effective. Just pop them right in, and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do for my mother plant now, I'm not going to take any more pups off it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up the soil. It's a little compacted just from being in there for a while, older soil. So I just break it up, and then I dibble a nice big hole, place the mother back in, work the roots in a tiny bit. Yeah, wiggle it around, get the soil going, put a little bit on there. And then the final step that is really important, you want to grab your handy water bottle or, a watering can and just water in the roots a bit. So this will provide moisture for the fresh roots, but it'll also help work the fresh roots into the soil a little bit with the water. Thanks for watching.